To list a property, start by downloading the Expedia application from the App Store. Once installed, log into your profile or register if you don't have one. The Expedia home screen provides various options, including stays, flights, packages, things to do, and cruises. You can search for specific options or discover new favorites, such as all-inclusive resorts or pet-friendly cabins. The search function allows you to manually search for stays, flights, and other travel options. Your trips will be stored in one place, and you can create a new trip or find bookings. The application also features a notifications bar and an account section, where you can access your profile, payments, reviews, and settings. To list a property, go to the Expedia Partner Center and choose between listing a product, residence, or a lodging. This is a starting point for listing your property. The Expedia application is user-friendly, and navigating through its features can help you find what you need. By exploring the application, you can discover its various functions and tools, making it easier to manage your travel plans and list your property.